Sezzle Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They think Sezzle is just another buy now, pay later app that traps you in debt. The surprising truth in 2025 is that Sezzle has evolved into a highly flexible, transparent payment platform that can help you manage purchases without interest if you use it wisely. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Sezzle, how it works, its pros and cons, and whether it deserves a place in your financial toolkit. Let's start with the basics. Sezzle is a buy now, pay later BNPL service that allows consumers to split purchases into 4 interest-free installments over 6 weeks. Unlike traditional credit cards or loans, Sezzle doesn't charge interest if payments are made on time, and it doesn't require a hard credit check for approval. This makes it accessible to individuals who may have limited credit history or want to avoid high-interest debt. How Sezzle works. Using Sezzle is simple. When shopping online or in-store at participating merchants, you select Sezzle at checkout. The total cost of your purchase is divided into 4 equal payments, the first of which is due immediately. The remaining 3 payments are automatically scheduled every 2 weeks. For example, if you buy a $200 item, you'll pay $50 upfront, then $50 every 2 weeks until the balance is paid. No interest is charged, as long as you pay on time. Sezzle also provides a digital account dashboard where you can track purchases, upcoming payments, and payment history. This transparency helps users manage their spending and avoid late fees. Eligibility and credit checks. In 2025, Sezzle continues to focus on accessibility. They perform a soft credit check to assess your ability to make payments, which does not affect your credit score. Sezzle also offers instant approval decisions, usually within seconds, making it convenient for online shopping. The platform caters to adults 18 and older with a valid US or Canadian bank account or debit/credit card. Fees and late payments. While Sezzle is interest-free, there are potential fees for late payments. If a scheduled payment is missed, a late fee of up to $10 may apply, depending on the state or province. To avoid this, it's important to link a reliable funding source and enable automatic payments if possible. Some users set reminders or notifications to ensure timely payments, which can prevent unnecessary fees. Sezzle vs. traditional credit cards. One of the main advantages of Sezzle over credit cards is that it allows you to split purchases without paying interest, provided you pay on time. With a credit card, carrying a balance incurs interest, which can quickly add up. Sezzle can also help users budget for larger purchases by spreading payments over several weeks. However, unlike credit cards, Sezzle does not build traditional credit history, except through optional reporting to credit bureaus in certain cases. Sezzle Up and Credit Building. In 2025, Sezzle offers a program called Sezzle Up, which allows users to build credit by reporting on-time payments to select credit bureaus. This is a valuable feature for users who want to establish or improve their credit scores, while maintaining the flexibility of interest-free payments. Early adopters have reported measurable improvements in credit utilization and score increases when using Sezzle responsibly. Merchant partnerships and availability. Sezzle is accepted at thousands of online and in-store merchants across the US and Canada. Popular categories include fashion, electronics, beauty, and home goods. Retailers benefit from offering Sezzle by potentially increasing sales, while consumers benefit from the convenience of spreading out payments without additional costs. Pros of Sezzle. Interest-free installment payments if paid on time. Instant approval and soft credit check. Flexible budgeting for larger purchases. Sezzle Up option for credit building. Transparent tracking of payments through the app. Cons of Sezzle. Late fees if payments are missed. Limited to participating merchants. Does not offer traditional credit card perks like rewards or fraud protection. May encourage impulse spending if not used responsibly. Real-world example. Jessica, a 27-year-old graphic designer, wants to buy a $400 laptop for work. Instead of paying the full amount upfront, she uses Sezzle. Her payments are $100 every 2 weeks. She completes all payments on time, avoiding fees and interest. Simultaneously, she opts into Sezzle Up, which reports her on-time payments to select credit bureaus, helping her build credit. By the end of the 6 weeks, Jessica has the laptop, 0 interest charges, and improved credit profile. A clear example of Sezzle's potential benefits. Tips to maximize value with Sezzle. 1. Only use Sezzle for purchases you can afford to pay over 6 weeks. 2. Enable automatic payments to avoid late fees. 3. Track your spending through the app to prevent impulse purchases. 4. Use Sezzle Up if you want to build credit responsibly. 5. Compare prices across merchants to ensure you're getting the best deal, since Sezzle doesn't replace smart shopping. Alternatives to Sezzle. While Sezzle is popular, other BNPL services like Klarna, Afterpay, and Affirm offer similar features. Klarna, for instance, provides longer installment plans, while Affirm may offer financing options for larger purchases with interest. Choosing the right BNPL service depends on your spending habits, purchase size, and credit building goals. Who should consider Sezzle. Individuals seeking interest-free installment plans. Shoppers with limited or no credit history. Those wanting to manage short-term cash flow without using a credit card. Responsible consumers who can pay installments on time. Who might skip Sezzle. Those prone to late payments or overspending. Consumers who want traditional credit card rewards or perks. Individuals making purchases at non-participating merchants. Conclusion. So, is Sezzle worth it in 2025? For the right user, absolutely. It provides interest-free flexibility, budget-friendly installment plans, and even credit-building opportunities with Sezzle Up. The key to making Sezzle work for you is responsible use, avoiding impulse spending, and ensuring all payments are made on time. If you shop at participating merchants and want a simple, transparent way to split payments without high interest, Sezzle can be a valuable financial tool. On the other hand, if you're not disciplined with payments or prefer traditional credit rewards, it may not be the right fit. In short, Sezzle isn't a gimmick, it's a modern, flexible alternative to credit cards for short-term, interest-free financing. Use it responsibly, and it can help you manage purchases, improve credit, and stay in control of your spending in 2025.